Ladies and gentlemen, today's topic is a hot one: NIO financial health and the substantial support it receives from the government. We're diving into NIO's significant cash burn and how continuous government backing plays a crucial role in its survival. Despite hefty losses, I firmly believe NIO is far from bankruptcy. Let's address the concerns first. Critics have pointed out that NIO reported a $700 million loss in Q1 and might only have enough cash for 8 more quarters. This sentiment is echoed by numerous detractors online. However, today, I want to counter this narrative and explain why, despite its cash burn, NIO remains buoyed by substantial government support and funding, ensuring it won't collapse. On May 31, 2024, it became public knowledge that NIO received a 2022 emissions reduction grant from NIO China. This local government grant, although previously undisclosed, rewarded NIO for its minimal emissions in 2022. Operating similarly to carbon emission credits, NIO was granted 190 million RMB, approximately $25 million, for its environmental efforts. While this sum may seem insignificant compared to their losses, it symbolizes the government willingness to support NIO in the renewable energy transition. Moreover, NIO wasn't the only recipient. JSC and Chang'an received 48 million RMB and 41 million RMB, respectively. The fact that NIO secured the highest amount underscores its favored status among these energy-conscious initiatives. Beyond this, other partnerships and investments highlight the faith placed in NIO. For instance, Joan, a company, is investing in building 1,000 battery swap stations for NIO, directly impacting NIO's balance sheet by alleviating the financial burden of constructing these stations. Similarly, the Wuhan Energy Company invested a substantial 1.5 billion RMB $200 million into NIO Power, valuing it at $2 billion. These investments illustrate a strong belief in NIO's future from both companies and governments. Despite burning significant amounts of money, 700 million per quarter, with future projections around 500 million or more, the integrated nature of NIO within Chinese society, along with its widespread recognition from the government, energy companies, and individuals, positions it as too big to fail. Let's recall the brilliant asset swap deal with the NIO government in late 2019 and early 2020. This deal significantly boosted NIO's stock from around $2–3 per share to an eventual $60. If NIO were to face financial trouble again, a similar bailout seems plausible, ensuring continued support and investment from the government. Currently, NIO owns over 90% of NIO China, and there were plans to list NIO China on the domestic stock market in June 2024. While this hasn't happened yet, the listing, when it does occur, will likely be hugely beneficial. It would allow NIO to sell shares of NIO China, raising funds without diluting NIO Inc. shareholders' stakes. This potential listing and subsequent favorable valuation would significantly boost NIO's financial position. The adeptness of NIO CEO in securing funding is another critical factor. His ability to persuade investors like JD CEO in just 15 minutes is legendary. He has consistently attracted investments from diverse sources, including Abu Dhabi CYVN, showcasing his unparalleled knack for fundraising. This skill ensures that if NIO ever needs more capital, there will always be willing investors, be they government bodies, energy companies, or private entities. Additionally, NIO might still have valuable emissions credits. In 2021 and 2022, emissions credits contributed significantly to their earnings. While we haven't heard much about these recently, it's possible NIO is holding onto these credits, planning to sell them collectively at an opportune moment. The key takeaway is that numerous entities, including governments and energy companies, are committed to supporting NIO. This robust backing, combined with the CEO's exceptional fundraising abilities, means that NIO will not face bankruptcy. If NIO valuation drops significantly, it would become an attractive acquisition target for its patents and swap stations alone, ensuring its continuation. Therefore, there's no need to worry about NIO running out of cash or facing imminent collapse. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.